Spirit? Lion. Cat? Meow? Doggy. Doggy? Spirit, where's your nose? Your nose. Spirit, where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your eyes? You don't want to do it today? What about the pig? What about the fish? What about the cow? Moo! Yay! Big girl. Spirit, where's your teeth? Your teeth. Where's your teeth? No, you can't have it. Where's your